Hey there guys, how's it going? And today what we're going to be talking about is the Assured Instant Hand Sanitizer. Yeah, okay, well, this is, well, like I said, anybody who knows me knows that I'm kind of like a person that likes to stay clean. I mean, clean in the sense, not that everything is always neat and tidy all the time, but clean as far as germs and stuff are concerned. I'm always using like disinfectant sprays and, you know, really things that make things sanitary, you know, like I'm always using like wipes and things like that. Get away from germs and stuff, because I hate having colds and stuff, or getting any kind of infections and stuff. I hate feeling bad. So if I can avoid that, I will, in any sense of the word. You know, I like to keep the germs away. And came across this hand sanitizer. It's an instant hand sanitizer, is what I claim here. Okay. And what makes it so makes it do its job is the alcohol that's in it. It's basically the active ingredient, and it gets on your hands. Well, you put it on your hands, and it's kind of a liquid gel type of hand sanitizer, you know. So it goes on, like, say if you put a little here, like that, you know, and it goes on kind of, it's like a gel kind of, but I mean, it works. You put it on your hands, and in an instant, you know, as you wipe it on there, it's gone. You know, your hands are clean and, you know, free of any kind of germ. Yeah, you know, it's really good. Like it a lot. It working for germ's sake. Yeah. Okay, and it has aloe in it that makes it, you know, gives it that soothing, you know, ingredient that, you know, makes your hands soft and everything, you know, and moisturizers to, you know, make it, you know, not dry out like alcohol will do. Okay, but now there's a reason why I'm not really using this. I used it when I first got it and tried it, but in my opinion, I do not like how it smells. It's not a horrible smell or a stink, but it's kind of like, smells like an old soap, something like that. To me, it bothered me, and it lingered on my hands. It's not like it just evaporated really quick. It just wasn't for me. It was really strong. It did the job. It made it so my hands were free of germs, I could tell, and it evaporates really fast, and, you know, I felt clean afterwards, and my hands felt soft also. The only downside that I found that really was a big problem for me is that it did not smell good. And that's a big thing if you're going to put anything like that on your hands and or anywhere on your body. You know, you want it to not smell at all or smell good, right? This, like I said, it did not stink, but it just did not smell pleasant to me. You can tell it's trying to. There's a sweetness about the smell that's coming from this. It's just not making it. So I just didn't continue using it. I used it once, and it just, you know, bothered me. You know, and like I said, it did not go away. I mean, eventually it went away, but I mean, it lingered. I smelled my hands an hour and a half later, and it was still on there. And I just did not like it. Yeah. So, I mean, it's like my opinion. I don't know, other people might think this smells fine, but in my opinion, it smelled kind of like an old soapy smell, which I don't know. It's just, I don't know, it bothered me. So anyway, but it does the job. It kills 99% of all germs. Makes your hands clean. And this is the compact bottle, which I love. I love compact little things so you can travel with them. You know, traveling with hand sanitizer is a must for me. So yeah, because like I said, I'm a little OCD about keeping my things nice and germ-free. But okay, well, that's what I think about this. That is the Assured Instant Hand Sanitizer. Yeah, Assured Hand Sanitizer. I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye-bye.